Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by lowering string tension immediately. Do not cut under high tension. First, turn the tuner until the string is slack enough to move freely by hand. Once relaxed, place a soft cloth under the strings near the neck to protect the fretboard and headstock. For acoustics, pry bridge pins gently straight up. For electrics, unwind the string from the post while holding the end so it doesn't snap. Make sure to keep control of the ball end as you free the string. You now remove the string carefully and methodically. Once the tuning post is free, unwind the remainder of the string and either pull the ball end out of the bridge or feed the loose end through the tuner hole. If the string is long and awkward, cut it into 2 manageable pieces with wire cutters. This prevents accidental pokes and makes disposal easier. After removal, use a dry or slightly damp soft cloth to clean the exposed fretboard and saddle area, making sure not to saturate wood or electronics. You finish by inspecting components the string contacted. Check nut slots, saddle grooves, and tuner posts for burrs, grime, or wear. Once satisfied, coil the old string pieces and discard them responsibly. Many shops accept scrap strings for recycling or use a metal bin. Before installing new strings, wipe any remaining residue and ensure hardware moves freely. If you later hear buzzing or the string catches, make sure there are no sharp edges. File lightly or replace the damaged part to prevent premature string break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.